Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P50 Pro, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we can use two different ways to block a number. We can do it using directly our contact list or let's say the dialer settings, and of course I'll show you both. So let's begin with the contacts. Let's enter the dialer, tap on the contacts and find the contact you would like to block and tap on it. Now let's tap on more options right here, this 4 dots icon, and as you can see on the second position we've got the option to block contact. And actually after tapping on it, your device will notify you that this particular contact is blocked, so you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. Of course you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on the 4 dots icon and tap on remove from blacklist, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist. So that was the first way to block a number, and now all we have to do in order to block a number differently, the second way, we have to go to the phone option and tap on this 4 dots icon. Now let's enter blocked, and as you can see here we've got a whole section connected to unwanted calls and spam messages. So here you've got call block rules or message block rules. And let's focus on the call block rules. And as you can see, after tapping on it, you can decide if you want to block all incoming calls, block unknown numbers, or block private withheld numbers. So it's up to you. In order to turn on the feature, you have to simply tap on the switcher. So just customize it like you want to. Let's take a look at this message block rules, and here you can only block unknown numbers. After tapping on this settings icon in the right upper corner, we can enter actually block and trust lists. Here we've got call block rules and message block rules. They were available on this previous step. I've just shown them. And let's take a look at the blacklist. As you can see, after tapping on it, your device will show you the blacklist, and that's the number we just blocked from our contacts, which means that everything went fine and the contact has been blocked. What's more, here you've got the information how many blocked calls and blocked messages your device received. I mean, how many calls and messages your device blocked. So here from this step you can add totally another number. So simply tap on add, and as you can see here you can add it manually, you can block prefix, you can again add it from contact list, from call logs or messages. But here adding from the contacts will be a little bit different, because you do not have to do it manually by one by one. Just here you will be able to list and mark a lot of contacts, so it's up to you. But here you are able to add it manually, so you can simply enter a number and tap on OK, and as you can see it will immediately appear on the blacklist. Of course you can remove it if you want to. Simply tap on it and hold it, and as you can see right now we can mark the numbers we would like to remove and simply tap on remove or delete all. And as you can see, the blacklist is empty. And just a disclaimer about the trust list. Here you can also add the numbers if you want to. You've got the keyword block list, so you can block messages which are containing preset keywords. So for example, I didn't know, world, lamp, flower, and so on and so on. So that's quite a cool option. And here you can decide if you want to receive the notifications from the blocked numbers, non-block list blocks, and never. It's really up to you. So actually this is it. This is how to block a number in your HUAWEI P50 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.